everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Natasha. For those of you guys that are new, welcome. For those of you guys that are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Please just take a second to subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, and follow me on Instagram. In today's video, we have Chucky's bride. If you guys want to see how I did this look, tune in. I'm gonna start off with the deluxe makeup kit that I got from Target. I'm gonna use this tan color right here to blur out my brows. So I'll just let that sit for a bit. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Rare Beauty foundation and put it all over my face. Gonna go ahead and put some foundation in my neck. So now to have my brows blend in, I'm actually gonna use the Cover FX Power Play foundation. The reason I'm using this one over the Rare Beauty is because this one is a thicker consistency. It has more coverage, and so that's exactly what we need to cover these bad boys up. So with my Beauty Blender, I'm just gonna dab and go over my brows. So I'm just gonna let this dry for a bit. They're gonna need a little more coverage because you can clearly see the hairs peeking out. So let's just let it dry. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and put my concealer. It's the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. I'm actually gonna use the same concealer and now go over with my brows. So we're gonna need one more coat. Now with foundation again, we're gonna go over it. Okay, so let that dry again for a bit, and now we're gonna go ahead and start with the eyes. So for the eyes, we're gonna use the James Charles palette. So we're gonna use the red, this fuchsia color, and then this dark purple. So I'm gonna start with the dark purple first, right in the crease. Now with the red on top. Now we're gonna go ahead and use the black right in the center. Now I'm gonna use this NYX retractable eyeliner for the waterline. And with the same brush that I was applying the black in the center, I'm gonna use for the bottom just to buff it out. And then just to clean the eye, I'm gonna use the NARS. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my lash as well. This is the Ardell Double 13. And just so I can give you a full eye look, and then I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. In the meantime, while the lash glue is drying, I'm gonna use the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara.
As you can see, I've already applied my lashes, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows.
So this eyebrow look takes me to the good old days when I thought it was poppin' to have skinny brows. So here it is. Let me go do this eye off camera and I'll be back. So now that I've completed my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and mix a little bit of my NARS bronzer. This is the color Laguna. It looks like this, super pretty. And then my Too Hot number 7 blush. Because her blush seems a little on the burgundy side, that's why I'm mixing both. That way I can get that darker color because this is a very peachy color. I'm just gonna add a little more concealer to brighten under the eyes. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take the Luxury Baking Powder in the color Banana and set my under eyes. This little tray, pour in the powder, and then go ahead and take my brush, dip, and just pat. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this same NYX retractable eyeliner that I used on my brows and my waterline to just outline my lips. And now with this Inglot purple lip color, it's like a dark purple. It's called Rouge à Lèvres. I don't know if I pronounced that right, it's in French. I'm gonna go ahead and just fill in the rest of my lip. And now with the same retractable eyeliner, I'm gonna go ahead and do my mole. Now I'm gonna go and put my wig on and then show you guys the final look. Got my wig on, now I look like Chucky's bride. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah!